races, and tonight we've also got Jim Dugan playing, so definitely stick around. All right, we've got the Black Pearl in lane number 1, Silver Streak in lane number 2.
Oh, does it go on its own?
Are we ready? Drivers, are you ready? We go when the light turns green. And the Black Pearl takes the first round. All right, Silver Streak lining up in lane number 1. Mary Ann, the Queen of Glitter, going up against Terry and the Black Pearl in lane number 2. Line judges, are we ready? Drivers, are you ready? We go when the light turns green. And the Black Pearl takes the win. Guys, up for Mary Ann. She did an awesome job today. Thank you for racing with us, Mary Ann, but the Black Pearl moves on.
This is so fun.
Lane number 2.
Oh, Jack.
Moon Monkey in lane number 1. One-Eyed Jack in lane number 2. Best 2 out of 3 race. Winner moving on. Loser not moving on. And if Moon Monkey takes the whole shebang today, everyone out there will get a free subscription to the Island Moon, our local newspaper.
There's the shark attack. That's awesome.
He might even pay you to take it if he wins. It's really big today. And don't forget, right after the races, we'll have Minnesota out on the backstage for just a little bit, playing songs. Then we've got tonight the great, the amazing Jim Dugan right here. This is Jim Dugan. He's going to play tonight for you, so definitely stick around. They're bringing out the magical brick. Let's see if that'll fix it.
Magical brick. Laying down magical brick.
Yeah. All right, Moon Monkey 2, lane number 1. One-Eyed Jack in lane number 2. Are Milan judges ready? Drivers, are you ready? We go when the light turns green.
Did you get it?
One-Eyed Jack. Birthday girl. Birthday girl.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday